Again for Module 3, Eureka Math Squared, second grade, lesson 18, page 111. And look at nothing on the back. There is no lesson for you on the back. So we can be happy about that and celebrate. Nothing to do on the back. All right, let's turn back over. Sorry, couldn't help myself. All right, if you haven't done it yet, hit that subscribe button for me. Help me out. If this helps you, you help me. We all help each other, and everyone's happy. All right, let's get into this one today. We have 4 clock faces here to work with. Let's see what happens. This one says write the time. I always help with number 1. Today I want to help with number 2. I just do. All right. So here's our hour hand. It is between the 9 and the 10. It has not gotten to the 10 yet. It is not at the 10 or past the 10, so it cannot be 10 yet. So our hour is going to be 9. Minute hands. Count by 5s again because it looks like it's right at a number to me. So let's go. Ready? You go with me. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Right at it. We said 35. We're going to write down 35. Okay? Got it? Got it? Good. Remember on this one they're trying to trick you. Kind of make that straight. Look at it. If I make that point a little straighter, what am I between? Don't let that one trick you. All right. This one says draw the hands on the clock to match the time. We have 8:15 here and 3:40. So if you want to start with the number, the minutes, you can do that. I'm going to take number 3 on this one. This says 15. Okay, let's go start it here. So 5, 10, 15. So I'm going to draw. Oops, that was not very good, was it? Just do your best. Remember, this needs to be your longest hand. So there's our 15. And now the 8. All right. So it's 8:15. So we are a little bit past the 8. So here's my 8 right here. I'm just going to do that. Just make sure I have not a long hand. Just close pointing. If I took this and extended it, see we'd be past the 8 a little bit. Okay. 3:40. Count by 5s till you find the 40 and then the 3. So we're a good amount between after the 3 on this one because we're 40 minutes past 3 o'clock. If it was at 3 o'clock, we'd be pointing right at the 3, but we're not. We're not to the next number yet, but we're getting close to it. So write that one down. Hey, this one was easy, but guess what though? Sorry, I had to do it. All right. I guess that was the guess what. Tomorrow, lesson 19. After that, you're getting ready for your module test. I'm going to talk to second grade teachers in my building. I'm going to find out which practice test you guys might be using for review. And I'm going to go ahead and put one together for you guys and help you out with some of the problems on that. Not all of them, just some of them. So I'll be back later in the week with that, or it might be for you next week. Either way, I'm going to be here to help you out. All right. So I'll see you for lesson 19 tomorrow. Have a good night.